Hi guys, it's Max from CXDojo, your favorite product design and development company. Let's find out what we prepared for you today. Let's go. This is one place where AI almost replaced humans. An Australian court has decided that artificial intelligence can be actually recognized as an inventor in a patent submission. Because nothing in Australian law says that applicant for a patent must be human. The decision was strongly criticized on grounds that it could produce junk patents, since quantity is not quality in this case. Well, time will tell how many crazy or genius things will be invented by robots. Any ideas of what should we expect?
No.
Astronomers believe that they have discovered the origin of the asteroid that wiped out the dinosaurs.
Это что такое?
The 6-mile white asteroid, which struck the Earth 66 million years ago. I mean, man, what's wrong with news today? Who is interested about that? Who loves dinosaurs?
Stupid fucking dinosaur! Get the fuck out of here!
After almost 5 years in the development, the new HTTP3 protocol is nearing its final form. But why was it needed so soon after HTTP2 release? The main purpose is an upgrade of the underlying transmission control protocol, aka TCP, that will be replaced with a new one named QUIC. Previously, upgrade of the HTTP significantly facilitated the work of developers, and new protocol includes most of the new features people are excited about. Have you guys been in a situation when you need to send an email that will impact your whole life, career, or at least this current workday? You checked everything 1,000 times and it was just perfect until you send it. Because immediately after shipping, you see that there was a mistake in the text and undo button disappeared too fast. To avoid sending an apologetic follow-ups that actually might don't work very well, I have an excellent tip for you. In the general tab of settings of your Gmail or anything else, change and undo send to 30 seconds. That might be just enough to make the final after-send check of your email and cancel it if something is wrong. Enjoy it, guys, it's actually saved my day.
Thank you!
Apple confirms it will begin scanning iCloud photos for child abuse images. Moreover, with the help of machine learning, right on the device, the iPhone will hint to you that the content of your photos might be not entirely proper. This applies not only to photos in iCloud, but also to images sent via iMessage and others. The fight against child porn is certainly an important topic. However, Apple literally has admitted that they will be studying the photos you take. No matter what the purpose, it means total digital supervision of what you do with your device. Maybe they're actually even listening to me right now?
FBI, open up!
Well, guys, that was all for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts in comment section below, and hope to see you soon. Goodbye.